Wait, what if I told you that this old wall clock could run forever without buying batteries again? Sounds crazy, right? Well, today I'm going to show you a simple trick that could save you from replacing clock batteries ever again. And the best part, you only need an old USB cable. First, grab any USB cable you don't use anymore. Cut off the USB end. And inside you'll find 4 tiny wires. You'll see red, black, green, and white wires. For this project, we only need the red and black wires. So go ahead and cut away the green and white wires. Now carefully strip the outer insulation to expose the copper inside. I'm using a soldering iron to make the job easier, but you can use a wire stripper if you have one. Keep watching because in just a moment, we'll transform this battery-powered clock into a USB-powered clock. Before modifying anything, let's test the clock. I'll insert this AA battery. And as you can see, nothing happens. The battery is completely dead. First, open the clock using a screwdriver. Once the back cover is removed, locate the battery terminals on the clock motor. Now take the USB cable we prepared earlier. Solder the black USB wire to the negative battery terminal of the clock motor. Before connecting the positive side, let's add a small LED indicator so we know when power is flowing. I'm using a regular LED for this. Connect the positive leg of the LED to the red USB wire. Then solder the negative leg of the LED to the positive battery terminal on the clock motor. Double-check all your connections to make sure everything is secure. Once everything looks good, carefully close the clock and tighten the screws. Now for the exciting part. Grab a mobile charger and plug the USB cable into it. Next, plug the charger into a power outlet or extension board. And look at that. The clock instantly comes back to life. No more dead batteries. No more constant replacements. Would you try this DIY hack on your own clock? If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button. Subscribe for more amazing DIY projects. And don't forget to share this video with your friends. Also, drop a comment below and tell me what I should build next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.